One of the things that I appreciate about us in the state of Oregon is that we often come up with creative solutions. Finding this particular way of recycling polystyrene, I think, is one of the more innovative by attaching it to an existing stream coming out of the public. Here at St. Vincent de Paul, we take a wide variety of reusables, everything that you would think of as a traditional thrift store would take. We also do wood, plastics, paper, cardboard, oils, CFC refrigerants, polystyrene, and a variety of plastics. The rigid polystyrene is our primary feedstock, and it generally arrives at our transfer site operations, where we have a collection center at our transfer site here in Eugene, or else it will come to our drive-through donation areas, or else the public will ask us where they can drop it off in terms of stores or other locations. And finally, of course, if it's commercial applications, we'll go out with a truck and pick that material up. We ask people to sort out the food-affected materials simply because it's not a feedstock that we should be handling at all. The material is readily identifiable, and of course there are other materials that are not polystyrene that are pretty easy to identify, other plastic that are bubble form or extruded type of form. And at that processing center, we will then go ahead and sort out anything that is not appropriate to put into the densifying machine. Styrofoam, of course, can be manufactured into a wide variety of things besides its original application. Most of it, of course, going back into feedstock for resin is the primary use for the material, especially if it's pure. Some of the material, of course, will go back into remanufactured product. That's things like crown molding for architectural detail. This is not a difficult to recycle material if you get it densified and if you get it to market. It's a very easy product to get out there. But the problem is, since it's so light, it's very difficult for the public to find a place to get to recycle it. So by doing this, you actually improve your carbon footprint quite significantly by getting this material out of the waste stream, by saving landfill space, preventing it from being incinerated, and more importantly, finding a way to get it reused. If we would find more ways to create magnet sites for difficult to handle materials that are associated with high value streams like reusables, we can actually make a much better planet.